Welcome to our comprehensive guide on harnessing powerful cognitive strategies for effective language learning in the field of TESOL. This guide aims to provide you with an in-depth understanding of how these strategies can significantly improve your teaching methods and enhance the learning experience for your students. Whether you are a seasoned educator or new to teaching English as a second language, the insights and techniques shared in this guide will be invaluable in your professional journey. Cognition is the mental action or process of acquiring knowledge and understanding through thought, experience, and the senses. It involves a complex interplay of various mental processes that work together to help us make sense of the world around us. Cognitive strategies are essential for language acquisition, helping learners engage with new information and develop language skills. These strategies include techniques for memorization, comprehension, and the application of knowledge in practical situations. They enable learners to effectively process and retain new vocabulary, grasp grammatical structures, and enhance their ability to communicate with others. By employing these strategies, individuals can improve their language proficiency and become more confident in their ability to express themselves in different contexts. Mnemonic strategies use various memory techniques to link new language elements with familiar sounds, movements, or locations. These strategies can be incredibly effective because they build on our natural ability to form associations, making the learning process more engaging and memorable. A mnemonic is a memory aid, a tool or technique used to help you remember information. For instance, to remember the order of the planets in our solar system, you can use the sentence, "My very educated mother just served us noodles." Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. This sentence creates a vivid image that helps in recalling the sequence of planets with ease. By using such creative and playful methods, learning becomes less daunting and more enjoyable. For example, students might create a mental image to connect a new word with its meaning or use acronyms to recall lists. Let's review common types of mnemonics. Acronyms, words formed from the first letters of a list of words, like homes for the Great Lakes, Huron, Ontario, Michigan, Erie, Superior. This method helps in grouping several pieces of information into a single, easy-to-remember term, making it especially useful for memorizing complex sequences or lists. Acrostics, sentences where the first letter of each word corresponds to the first letter of the items in a list. For example, every good boy does fine helps remember the notes on the lines of a treble clef, e.g., B, D, F. Acrostics can also be a fun way to create personalized memory aids by using familiar phrases or names that resonate with the individual. Rhymes. Rhyming phrases or poems can make information easier to remember, like I before E except after C. The musical quality of rhymes often makes them stickier in our minds, allowing for faster recall of facts and rules that might otherwise be dry or difficult to memorize. Keywords. Creating a vivid mental image to link a new word with its meaning. By associating words with strong, imaginative visuals, students can bridge the gap between unfamiliar vocabulary and their definitions, enhancing both understanding and memory retention. Chunking, breaking down information into smaller, more manageable chunks. This strategy capitalizes on our brain's capacity to better process and store information when it is divided into pieces, reducing cognitive load and facilitating easier retrieval. In the context of metacognition, the term meta is derived from Greek, meaning beyond or above. It represents a higher-order thinking process in which individuals become consciously aware of and reflect upon their own cognitive processes, including their thinking, understanding, and learning. This self-reflective process allows individuals to engage in a deeper level of comprehension and insight into their mental functions. Metacognition, therefore, is frequently described as thinking about thinking, or knowing about knowing. It involves a complex set of skills and strategies that enable individuals to understand and regulate their cognitive activities. Metacognitive strategies empower learners to monitor and manage their learning processes effectively through planning, monitoring, and evaluating their progress in various tasks. These strategies help learners to adapt their approaches, make informed decisions, and enhance their ability to learn and solve problems efficiently. Students can set personal and educational goals, enabling them to visualize their desired outcomes and maintain motivation. They have the ability to track their progress by regularly assessing their skills, which helps them identify areas of improvement and recognize their achievements. By evaluating their learning journey, students can make informed decisions and adjust their strategies as needed, enhancing their ability to become more effective language learners. This proactive approach fosters a deeper understanding of language nuances and builds confidence in communication. Affective strategies are essential tools that help learners effectively manage and navigate their emotions, using a variety of techniques such as self-encouragement, relaxation methods, and reward systems. These strategies are pivotal in creating a supportive learning environment. Affective strategies are deeply related to emotions, feelings, or mood. They are instrumental in producing an emotional response that can significantly enhance the learning experience and retention. By fostering a positive emotional state, learners are more likely to engage with the material and achieve their educational goals. Social strategies involve interaction with others, such as asking for clarification, cooperating with peers, and practicing empathy. These strategies are essential in building strong relationships and effective communication skills. By engaging with others, individuals can develop a deeper understanding of different perspectives and enhance their ability to work collaboratively. Active listening is another important aspect of social strategies, allowing individuals to fully comprehend and respond appropriately to the needs and concerns of others. Through consistent practice, social strategies can significantly contribute to personal growth and success in various aspects of life. To implement cognitive strategies effectively in the TESOL classroom, it is essential to provide explicit instruction that is clear and concise. This involves breaking down complex concepts into smaller, manageable parts that students can easily understand and absorb. Additionally, modeling plays a crucial role in demonstrating these strategies in action. By showing students how to apply the strategies in real-world scenarios, they can better grasp their practical applications. Guided practice is also vital, where students are given the opportunity to practice these strategies in a supportive environment. This allows them to refine their skills and build confidence in using the strategies independently over time. Through these steps, students become more adept at employing cognitive strategies, enhancing their learning experience. Encourage students to explore various cognitive strategies and apply them independently in their learning process. Provide constructive feedback regularly to help them refine and strengthen their skills, ensuring they feel supported and motivated. Highlight the importance of persistence and adaptability, and show examples of how these strategies can be beneficial in different learning scenarios. Thank you for joining us on this enriching learning journey. We are thrilled to have had the opportunity to share these valuable insights with you. Now, equipped with these powerful skills, you are ready to empower your students by implementing these engaging strategies in your teaching practices and significantly enhance their language learning adventure. Together, we can make language learning an exciting and rewarding experience for everyone involved.